Hey dudes and chicks and neither if those rules don't apply to you. My name's Katie. Welcome to my channel. Today I decided that I've kind of been going through my makeup and decluttering things and getting rid of some stuff that I never use and I'm definitely not going to use, but there's always those palettes that you're like, I'm going to use it. And so I decided that for all the palettes that I want to declutter that I kind of don't, or that I'm not sure, I'm going to do some looks with them and decide, and like you guys can help me decide whether or not I should keep them, or just like kind of film the looks that I do with palettes that I haven't used and that they seem like something I may or may not be interested in, and I just want to try them give them one last fair shot before I give them away or get rid of them. So anyways, today I'm going to be doing the Beaute Slice of Paradise palette. It looks like this, and it's a rainbow palette, and often I have a lot of rainbow palettes that I want to declutter because I don't know what to do with rainbow palettes. And so this is the look I came up with today, and if you want to see how I feel about it, keep watching. I'm going to start by going into the color Rose Finch. Oh, this is my KALEIDOS S2, and I'm just dragging this through my crease and up onto the brow bone because I have hooded eyes.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach.
Now with my ZOEVA 227, I'm going to go into the color Starling.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
And with my ZOEVA 231, I'm going into the color Honeyberry. And I'm going to use that to deepen up my outer V. And I'm going to drag that through my crease. Give me some dimension.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
I'm back with my ZOEVA 227 with no additional product. I'm just going to use that to blend out that outer edge and make sure there's no harsh lines.
Inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradle.
So the lighter touch you use, the better your blend is. So you got to be super gentle.
Profanities. Some days I feel skinny.
Back in with my KALEIDOS S2 with no additional product. I'm just blending.
Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire.
And now I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH30, and I'm going to dip into the color Flamingo and just use that to blend out the edge and drag this out. This, you don't have to do this, I just like to.
All around my room, my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So I'm going in with my my ZOEVA 231, and I'm going to dip back into Honeyberry, the darkest color. And my ZOEVA 227, I'm going to dip back into the color Starling and blend out that outer edge. And KALEIDOS S2 back into Rosefinch, the pink. Man, that looks pretty. I don't know how it looks to you guys, but it looks really fucking pretty here. Got a little bit of fallout, but who gives a fuck? Okay, and then I'm just going to use this, dip a little tiny bit into Flamingo. What can you see? Awesome. Alright, now I'm taking my KALEIDOS S5 and dipping into the color Honeyberry. And the S4 and dipping into Starling. And with my JH30, I'm going into Flamingo, and I'm just going to take this and with my NYX glitter primer, I'm going to take the color Peacock, and with the other side of that ABH brush, I'm just going to start patting that. Look at how pretty that is. And I was going to get rid of this fool. And now I'm going to take my ZOEVA 235, it's angled, and I'm dipping into my Viseart Grand Pro Volume 3 or 2 or something. And I'm going to dip into this color. These colors don't have names, so I'm just going to use this. Now I'm just going to blend that Viseart color into the color Peacock. Bomb. So I'm just going to dip into this bottommost right or left if you're looking at it color in the Viseart palette, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. Perfect. I was a little doubtful, but no, that looks bomb. That looks good. Oh, I'm using my MODA BMX 420. And I'm bringing back the brow bone highlight. I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Multi Pink. I'm going to do my lashes, do my lips, and I'll be back with my final thoughts and my final look. So this is the final look. You guys saw I used my Makeup Forever eyeliner or artist pencil, and then you guys know what I do for my mascara. I used my Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine in Snapped because I couldn't find the one I wanted, which was Snitch. I am in love with this, so I am definitely not getting rid of this palette, and I'll show you guys the reason why is because of this color, Honeyberry. So this just looks like a regular purple, and I'm not sure if you guys can really see it, but it's called Honeyberry, and it's actually honestly like super, I don't know, it's just got this little shade. It's like a little bit berry toned, like on the eyes it pulled really pinky purple, and it matched with this color Starling, and I mean just the whole thing really fit together. So I love this color Peacock. It's perfect, and honestly, like, I'm gonna do these looks, and this rainbow palette actually makes a lot of sense to me, so I'm gonna use it, and I'm just gonna do the regular looks, and maybe I'll just do those for you guys. So yeah, I can probably get 3 out of that, 3 looks. So anyways, the Ace Beaute Slice of Paradise palette is not getting decluttered.